Hey good day folks out there, yeah, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I just want to talk about a simple song by Adele. The title of the song is Hello. Now the song was originally accompanied by piano. Now this time around making it available for guitar players, to dial around it and to play around it. So originally the song is in the key of A flat major. So in A flat major we have series of chord progressions that makes up the verse, the transition and the chorus of the song. Now before we proceed to the class, I would like you to click the subscribe button, then put on your notification bell so as for you not to miss any of our video updates. Let's get to the lesson. On A flat, we have the following chord progression for the verse. Now, the progression that we have here is a progression of 6 to 1, then to E flat, 4, 6, 1, 5, 4. So the chords that makes up the progression is F minor to A flat major to E flat major, then to C sharp major. So those are the verse. It was repeated some couple of times. That's just the chords progression that makes up the verse. Then now let's move to the transitioning. In the transitioning there was just a slight variation whereby we have the 3 chord introduced to it, which is the C minor 7th, then to C sharp major. So we have something like this from the verse, playing that twice. Now I'm going for the transitioning now. 6, then to the C minor 7th, meaning that's our chord 3, then to C sharp is our chord 4. Then we now play the F minor, E flat major, C sharp major. So we have something like this. Again slowly, then to the 3, C minor 7th, C sharp major, F minor, E flat, to C sharp major. So those are just the transitioning from the verse. Now to the transitioning. Now we're moving to the chorus. The chorus is just made up of the same 4 progression that we have: 6, 4, 1, 5. So F minor to C sharp major to A flat major, then to E flat major. So we have something like this. You can see that I started strumming just to bring out the live, to make people understand that we've gotten to the chorus part of the song. Back to verse. So that's just the whole chord progression that makes up the song. Now you can decide to bring yourself into it. You can decide to play it in form of arpeggios. You can even do some Montuno's ideas like playing it in form of salsa. You can do it any way that you like it. Whatever thing is supposed to you, that is what you can come up with. So that's just the whole lesson from the verse to the transitioning, then to the chorus. In that way, you're done with the song and you can just play around it. So if you enjoyed this lesson, I would like you to click the subscribe button, then put on your notification bell so as for you not to miss the next episode that we're going to be talking about, especially when playing simple songs. See you guys later.